So where AI comes in Cronos is, I've always said that technology is always an enabler. It's not a replacement. So at Cronos, we've always believed that technology is an enabler. And I think where AI comes in is AI has the ability to curate information and scale it at the same time. So where AI and Cronos meet is we're using AI to enable the curation of learning to every user's needs. And that's literally it. And what I mean by user's needs is from a developmental stage, from a language stage, from a learning bias stage. It's literally meeting where students are. And that's how we're using AI in Cronos. What makes AI integration into Cronos different from other tools is our ability to do our research, go out throughout the world and train our AI models in the specific curriculum that country, that state, that school is using for their students. And a lot of that structure and a lot of that testing is done by our team, but also by the administrators of those schools to make sure that those proper guardrails for the AI technology is there so that, there's not a lot of things that are being pulled from the outside, but it's very structured. So that's what makes our technology a little bit different.